Good afternoon. It's MaryEllen from the channel MaryEllen After 60, and it is odd for me to film in the afternoon. It's one of those days, and it has been for so long. The sun was up. Now it's hidden by the clouds, but maybe it'll be up in a few minutes. Jim just went to run a few errands, and I thought I'd take a minute and talk to you about something I've been wanting to do. I had planned to do this earlier in the winter, but I was really trying out several things. In any category of makeup, lips are my favorite, and even taking care of my lips. That I enjoy doing that. I don't enjoy doing skincare, but I do enjoy taking care of my lips. And what I do now, before I start talking about my products, the only thing I do now in the morning after I brush my teeth, I just take a nubby, cheap washcloth and just massage my lips. And I have not had any chapped lips in 2 years because of these items I'm going to be mentioning. I used to brush my lips with a toothbrush, but the terry cloth, the nubby terry cloth works really well for me. This was hard to do. What didn't make the cut was, I like Aquaphor healing ointment. Jack Black, Sugar, you know, all these things are good, but I'm going to zero in on the 4 best products, and honestly, the biggest workhorse that consistently does the best job is the least expensive, and I'm going to talk about that one first. But I do love all of these. I love this the least, but it does the best job, and it is the LANSINOH ointment. I first heard about this from Emily Noel 85. And then I heard about it from Beauty by Anne Marie. It is meant for nursing mothers that have cracks where they're nursing, and because if I use certain words, YouTube just will not monetize this video, and it's true, so I have to really watch what I say. But it is a very effective ointment, and I use it on my bedstand. I have 2 things. I have been doing this summer. This winter, I have the LANSINOH, and I have to depot it and put it in this Tony Moly container, because if you remember, those people who've watched me, we sleep in a cold bedroom, and there's no way I can get anything out of there. And I'll put that video on why we sleep in a cold bedroom. And the other one that I have there, and I've taken the caps off, is the Laneige, and I've heard about this from many different places. It has a beautiful smell. It smells to me like candy. This has no smell. This is less than $10 for 1.4 ounces, which is a lot. This is $20, and I think it is 0.7 ounces. I was reaching for this more. So at nighttime, this is my favorite. I cannot wear this through the day, because, and I'll put either a picture or link a video. I wore it one time when I was doing a video, and it just goes right there, and it looked like I was foaming at the mouth. So the LANSINOH is strictly for night. For my daytime treatments, I usually have on some sort of lipstick, and I think I have on just the Je ne sais quoi in the gloss today. And I have found, and I tried to give it another try on some of the liquid lipsticks. They dry my lips up. They just dry my lips, and I do not like how they feel, so I am not going to try any more liquid lipsticks. Some time ago, I shared with you some products I purchased from By Terry in France. Well, I've since heard that they aren't a cruelty-free company, so I won't be buying anymore. I use what I have, but I ordered their famous, very famous lip balm. It's Rose de Baume or something like that, and I got it on sale. So it's $60 versus $20. This does feel more luxurious on my lips than anything. It is highly scented. It smells of rose. But when I put that on through the day, it will last several hours if I don't have on any lipstick. And I don't prep my lips before I put on anything. The only thing I do is I rub my lips off with a damp washcloth, and then I just go apply whatever I'm going to wear. But sometimes when I'm around here, I'll just put this on, and it is absolutely lovely. And here's my tried and true that lasts longer than any, and it's the Bite Agave Lip Mask. It has a decent amount of product. I will put those amounts right here because I can't remember off the top of my head. But of the By Terry, the Laneige, this is my favorite. If someone said to me, you can have all of one of these lip products for the rest of your life, and money wasn't an object, I would do the Bite Agave Mask. That I have 2 of the clears and I have 1 with red, but I absolutely love the smell. It will stay on my lips longer than anything else, but it's like, I think $26, and I always buy mine when it goes on sale for 20% off at Sephora. So those are the lip treatments that I like. I don't have to use a sugar scrub. I don't have to do anything to my lips anymore and haven't had to for the last 2 years. When I was younger, I'm thinking teens or early 20s, I used to use Pretty Feet on my lips. The first time I saw Pretty Feet advertised, I thought, oh my gosh, that would be great to get rid of the skin on your lips. And I used to do that, and then I'd follow it with Vaseline. So I haven't had to do that for years. And at the end of this month, the beginning of May, probably is when I'm going to do my 12-week update. I'm using an LED device on my lips, and I will share the results with you at that time. And I'll link that video. I try to do it above and below. Try to put in a card and then put it below. And anytime I mention something, if I don't talk about it in detail or in enough detail, I will try to, when I'm watching it, put links to the videos that I talk about. And I do try to list everything in the show more section if I can find it. And I always try to find the best price or no shipping and handling, because I want you to know I do, if you use those links that I provide that says I will make some money and then there's a list, I do make a little bit of money, a small commission. But I do have a discount code that I make less money on. And I don't know why I'm talking about this, but it is the Cacao Naturals, the oil and the elixir. The only time I've ever earned any money from that was if somebody buys something from Amazon. They have never paid me 1 cent. They have provided products for my giveaways, but except for the first one, I've purchased all of it myself. I purchase all my skincare myself. And by me putting in that 40% discount, that means that's 40% less I make from Amazon than I would if I didn't put it out there. So I'm not all about money. I'm about, of course I want to make money, but I want you to save money. And because I like to save money. So anyway, that's just, sometimes I get off topic. I'll start talking about something. So I'm just going to sum up this video. Money being an object, the LANSINOH, definitely at night. I can't wear it through the day. Money not being an object, it would be Bite Agave. I do enjoy the Laneige and I do enjoy the By Terry. They're both excellent products. By Terry is the most luxurious, and it is a luxury. So if you've been watching this video this long, I want to tell you that I do have a giveaway, and it's something that a company sent me, and the item is from Shieldon Leathers. And this is my phone case, but I bought one. I have an 8S iPhone now, no 8 Plus. They sent me 2 for the 6S iPhones. And this is what it looks like. This is magnetic. This is a little different style. I believe you can still use it if you want to, like kind of a kickstand. It still works like a kickstand, but I have 2 of them. So if you're interested in winning one of the 2 and they're both the same color, in your comment below this video, I just want you to put somewhere 6S. 6S. I don't know if it'll fit any other phone, but I know that it fits the iPhone 6S. So to be in this giveaway, you have to be 18 years old or older. You can live any place in the world. It's open internationally. You need to be subscribed to my channel before it goes live. And this will be up for 4 days. Let me think if there's anything else I will tell you. I'll go through random comment picker to pick the winner. And if I forgot anything, I'll write it below. But I do want to send those out. And hopefully by now everybody will have received the items from my last giveaway. And I still haven't heard from my very first eyelash winner for the magnetic eyelashes. So I'm hoping she'll watch it. I'll give her probably another week and then I will go to the next in line. So it is all good. You guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. You take care. I appreciate you. Good afternoon.
I'm not sure I understand.
A little